Everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Library. In today's video, we are covering operators used in SQL. We will try to cover maximum operators in this video. You will be having a better idea on operators by end of this video. So just stay tuned and watch the full video. So there are different types of operator like equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, or, and, in, or like. So these many type of operators are used in SQL. So we will be trying to cover one by one. I have one table selection from employees. If I want to use or display only those records where employee equals to 100, for that I can use equal to operator. I just need to filter on my table on employee ID column where employee equals to 100. So for that I can use a query like this. Select star from employees where employee equals to 100. The equal to operator will give you the exact result of your value. If I run this will give me only employee result where employee equals to 100. For less than or greater than, if I want to display those results where employee ID is greater than 102, if I run this, I can get only those records where employee ID is greater than 102. I want to display 102 as well, so I can, for that I can give a greater than or equal to. If I run this, see here I can able to view 102 also in greater than equal to. If I want to use less than 102, restrict only those record. I want to display only those record where employee is less than 102. If I run this, see only I'm able to see only those record where employee is less than 102. I also want to view 102 and less than 102, so I can use less than equal to. If I run this, you can see here I can able to see only those record where employee is less than 102, less than or equal to 102. So next is OR operator. If I want to display the records where employee equal to 100 or 102, if I run this query, here I'll be able to display those records where employee equals to 100 or 102. So this is how I can use OR operator. And next is AND operator. For AND, I can give two conditions where employee equals to 100 and department ID equals to 90. If I run this query, I am able to see those records where employee equals to 100 and department ID equals to 90. But there is a difference in OR and AND operator. Like if in OR, this is my first condition and this is my second condition, so I'm giving two conditions here. For OR, my both conditions are if my both conditions are true, then I'll be able to view a result. I'll get a result. Any one of my condition, like my first condition is true, that is my first condition is satisfying, and second condition is not satisfying, in that case also I'll get a result where my condition is satisfying. If my first condition is not satisfying and second condition is satisfying, in that case also I'll be getting a result where my condition is satisfying. For this condition I'll get a result. If my both condition is not satisfying, in that case I'm not getting any result in OR operator. But in case of AND, if my both conditions are satisfying, in that case only I'll get a result. If any one or both condition is not satisfying in my AND condition, then I'm not getting any result for AND. I'll explain you practically. Suppose I have employee equal to 100 or employee equal to 102. This is my two conditions. So my first condition is I have a record where employee equals to 100 and I have another record where employee ID equal to 102. If I run this, I'm getting result for both. But what if I give here? So I know I don't have any record where employee equal to 1032. So if I run this, say I'm getting only result where my condition is satisfying. This condition is not satisfying because I don't have any record where my employee is 1032, but I have one record where employee equals to 100. So for that condition I can able to view a result. But in AND, if I want to run, my both condition needs to be satisfying, where you can see here my employee is equal to 100 and department ID equal to 90. I have that record. But what if I give here 900? So I'm not able to view any record, because my this condition is satisfying, but my this condition is not able to satisfy because I don't have any department ID where employee ID equals to 100 and department ID is 900. So my one condition is failing. So that is why I'm not able to view any record in AND condition where my one condition is failing. But in case of OR, I can able to view that if any one of my condition is satisfying. So just remember this table in case, so you will be having a better idea on AND an OR operator. So we have covered equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and OR and AND operator. We will cover in and like operator in our next video. So for till then, you can just practice on these operators which we have covered in this video. In and like operator, I need a separate video to explain those. That will take some time to explain in and like operator. For that, you can just practice on this and stay tuned with my channel. Please, if you like this video, you can subscribe and like this video. Thank you.